In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Managing your invoices and keeping track of payments is essential for any successful business, and QuickBooks Online offers a straightforward process to help you do just that. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the steps. First, you want to begin by navigating to the correct area of QuickBooks Online. On your main dashboard, take a look at the left panel. Here, you're going to click on Sales. This section serves as your hub for all things related to sales transactions, including invoices, payments, and customer management. Once you've clicked on Sales, you'll notice several tabs across the top of the page. Go ahead and select the Invoices tab. This tab is where your invoices are managed, and it's where we'll find the details we need. As you enter the Invoices section, you'll see a list populated with all the invoices you've issued. It's a handy overview that shows you the status of each invoice at a glance, such as whether they're pending, overdue, or paid. The next step is to locate the specific invoice for which you want to check the payment details. Click on any invoice from the list that you are interested in. Once you do this, you'll notice a panel on the right side of your screen popping up. This panel gives you an in-depth look at the selected invoice, detailing everything from the date and client name to the total amounts and due dates. Now, pay attention to the Invoice Activity section within this panel. This is where the magic happens. Under this section, you will be able to see any payments that have been received for that particular invoice. It's a detailed log of all payment activities connected to the invoice, showing you exactly what's been paid and when. QuickBooks also offers hyperlinks to these payment records. So if you want more details about a specific transaction, you can easily click through for more information. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently see and track payments on your invoices within QuickBooks Online. This process not only helps keep your financial records straight, but also provides a clear scope of your cash flow and helps in maintaining good relationships with your clients. Monitoring payments becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, which is growing and managing your business effectively. That's all for today. Make sure to explore other features QuickBooks offers to streamline your business processes even further. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.